What is it? Yeah. On your marks, go. Did you want me to take a photo of you first? Is that where you do photos? Where does Mummy have to stand? Mummy sit here and do photo? On your marks. Get set. Hey? Cheese? Okay. So cheese. Cheese. Click. Okay. Now what? Marks, go. On your marks. Get set. Go. You won. Your skirt fell down. You got it. Are you going to do some dancing? Show us your dancing. Show us your dancing. Cool. Yes. Do you wiggle your hips? Wiggle your hips. Clever chicken.